Ki armut ki mitiramba chong kachala Meghalaya bat chong ka Assam ukonrat ke sangma bot himanta biswa sharma manta ka khandru turik noiwing kilai don lang hakaju karansan halangpi kabahap apo west kasil district nakamanta banikren yopu sam hapdeng kini ki artli ki jala hakani ki jikdu halangpi ki armut ki mitiramba kajala kilayo banyatai bat ki paiba hakabai de bakajing e bo pur usam pat banthau ki lat klinti nakamanta bun wengno shisindon yakani ki jingja kaja khaput kabade kamat kabasateng laslem slamba nakaliam konrat ke sangma ulong bagi paiba chong ka thain langpi bat kumjuru kiwe pat ki khat ardli ki than ki bodan hakaput Assam bat Meghalaya ki balai kendu jing e mentala sapu kanai snem namar ka jingmi ka jingkrumar bat khamtam e ya ka jingdu e kimin siem bokordor.
I would like to thank Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma for having agreed and jointly decided to make this visit, to come here and meet the people of this area, discuss this issue of border differences that we have, and find an amicable way to resolve this very long pending issue. Friends, the people of Langpi area and 12 other areas in Assam and Meghalaya border have been suffering for the last 49 years, where because of the differences that exist, there have been incidents, there has been tension, and most importantly, precious lives have been lost. Our Honorable Chief Minister of Assam, who is like an elder brother to me, and myself, we decided that we need to do something about this. We decided that yes, this may be a very, very complex problem. There may be a lot of emotions, but it is our duty as leaders of the states to try and find a way forward. If we don't try, if we don't move forward, we will be failing in our responsibility that you, the people of Assam and Meghalaya, have bestowed on both of us. And with this sense of responsibility and commitment that we are here today, as a goodwill gesture, as a confidence building measure, to tell the people of this area that both the governments of Assam and the governments of Meghalaya are committed to finding a solution, an amicable and respectful solution to this very, very long pending demand or long pending issue that has caused large amount of suffering to the people of these areas. I once again thank all the concerned officials and more importantly the public that has come here, and once again would like to urge each and every one of you that we need to work together to find an amicable solution. This is not a simple task, this is not an easy task, but I keep telling the people in Meghalaya that it is this government in Meghalaya and the government led by Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma in Assam that has dared to take this issue up. No other government had dared to take this issue up because they were worried about the political consequences. But we are not here to think about the political consequences of what we do or don't do. But we are here to ensure that the difficulties that our people are facing, the challenges that our people face, we as responsible leaders would want to find a solution to this. And therefore, even if this is a very, very important and very difficult challenge, we have dared to take this up. And with all your blessings, I'm sure that we will be able to amicably find a solution to the long pending border dispute between the two states.